我们请教廷驻华大使嘉安道代办致辞。
Your Excellency Bishop John Lee Joe Wong, the new Bishop of Tainan, Bishop Bosco Lin, Bishop Emeritus of Tainan, Archbishop Thomas Chung, Metropolitan Archbishop of Taipei, Bishop John Baptist Lee, Bishop of Hsinchu and President of the Bishops' Conference, Your Excellency, the Bishops of Taiwan, Your Excellencies, respectable government officials of Tainan, distinguished representatives of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs who are here from Taipei, distinguished representatives from other religions and groups, Reverend Fathers and Sisters, brothers and sisters.
可敬的新准主教李若望主教，我们可敬的荣休的台南主教林吉兰主教，可敬的台北总教区总主教钟安柱主教，可敬的主教团主席李主教，还有各位的主教们各下，可敬的贵宾，还有我们台南市的市长，以及外交使节。 大家的，我们组内的弟兄姐妹、师多们，大家平安。
The Holy Father, Pope Francis, continues to take care of all the local churches around the world by invoking God's help to find the bishops who will help him in the work of evangelization.
我们的圣父教宗继续关怀世界各地的地方教会。 而且继续要寻找一些主教去协助他在当地的福传工作。
He knows and appreciates the pastoral work done by Bishop Bosco Lin and all the priests, sisters, and lay collaborators in this diocese of Tainan, as well as in the island of Penghu, which he pastorally administers.
教宗方济各很欣赏我们荣休的林吉兰主教在台南州区的所做的一切，以及协助他的司铎弟兄姐妹们，还有现身生活者在台南教区以及外岛平湖的所有牧灵工作。
Yet after 11 years of faithful service as auxiliary bishop of Kaohsiung and 16 fruitful years of pastoral activity in Tainan, Bishop Lin, at the age of 77, rightly steps down from active service.
林吉兰主教曾经在高雄教区当过辅理主教11年，然后在台南教区经过16年的丰实果实的服务，现在到了退休年龄77岁，应该荣休了。
Pope Francis has chosen your successor in the person of now Bishop John Lee, your former Vicar General, who in the time that he was under you has learned much from you.
教宗方济各拣选的你的助手，也是你以前的副主教，来接任你这个职位，因为他从你身上学习的很多。
Thank you, Bishop Lin, for your life of dedication to the people of Kaohsiung as auxiliary bishop and the Bishop of Tainan. May God be your reward for your selfless service.
再次谢谢你，林主教，你在高雄的贡献，以及在台南教区的贡献，你实在是付出了很多很多。
To the new Bishop John Lee, Pope Francis in his papal bull reminds you that in the Church of Christ, the Roman Pontiff enjoys supreme, full, immediate, and universal authority over the care of souls. Therefore, as pastor of the faithful, he is sent to provide for the common good of the universal church. The bishops themselves, however, having been appointed by the Holy Spirit as successors of the apostles, together with the supreme pontiff and under his authority, are sent to continue throughout the ages the work of Christ, the eternal pastor.
教宗以及在那个任命诏书里也提过，教宗他有全世界的神权，可以请说他的主教分享他的神权，在地方教会帮助他管理牧灵的工作。所以我们的新的主教李若望主教被教宗招选了，去替他管理当地的羊群，分享他的神权。
As such, even if Tainan seems to be very far away from Rome, you are always near the Holy Father, as you share in his mission, in the mission of Christ and the church.
这意味着，尽管台南在交通距离是离罗马很远，可是透过主教跟教宗的共融，你们都是全世界普世教会的一份子，以及有同一个传教的使命。
And you are not alone, since your brother bishops in Taiwan have already welcomed you as you attended the last plenary meeting of the bishops.
新的李欧王主教，你不是孤单的，因为上一次在我们的主教团会议，主教们已经欢迎你到主教团，成为他们的一份子。
Moreover, you can count on the assistance and the collaboration of the Apostolic Nunciature.
此外，你也可以仰赖，或者是得到我们的驻华大使馆的协助。
Now I take this opportunity to ask the faithful of the Diocese of Tainan to welcome, pray, and work together with your new bishop.
我想借此机会，请求台南教区的兄弟姐妹们、教友们，特别为你们新的主教祈祷，以及协助他。
I also pray for the continued good working relationship between the local government of Tainan with the diocese in its work of providing service for all the people.
我也祈祷，希望台南教区跟台南市政府的合作继续下去，有所发展。
I am very happy to acknowledge the presence of officials from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Taipei and of our previous Vice President. Your presence is a sign of Taiwan government's appreciation for the solicitude of Pope Francis to provide new bishops for Taiwan and of the service for the Taiwanese brothers and sisters.
也谢谢台北外交部一些官员的莅临，你们的莅临也肯定了你们对我们台南教区的重视，以及教宗他的助手他的主教的重视，以及他的服务。
To all here present, I give the closeness and assurance of the paternal concern of Pope Francis. Thank you.
我再去确认我们教宗跟我们地方政府合作的这个新的一个里程碑，让我们继续携手合作，勇往直前。谢谢你们。